See, I've been doing some thinking, and, well, I heard about your cookies. I mean, maybe it's time that I get into some legitimate enterprises.
You go into business with me.
You go into business with us?
That's right. I got a marketing angle. I mean, these cookies, they could taste like shit.
Can and do.
Well, you see, that's the beauty of this, sales pitch. Ready? Buy these cookies, or I'd kill you.
You're unbelievable. When people finally buy and eat my cookies, it'll be because they are truly tasty, not because someone is threatening their life.
Try one?
Thank you. Smells familiar. What's in this?
Chili.
Chili.
Chili con cookie.
Very good. Maybe a little too much chili, but I think you're onto something.
Floji, you were supposed to be out of town by today. I just gave you a 1-hour extension.
We can't work this out?
I'd be running along.
I could give a shit. You know, I think if I threatened to kill people, if they didn't eat your cookies, they still wouldn't eat them. You know what I think of your cookies? That's what I think of your cookies.
Let's move up and win.